How to free up 10 to 15 GB storage on Android in 2 minutes. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that you guys will simply go to settings. Once we click on settings, here search for storage. So I will simply click search for storage. Once you search for storage, here you guys will see about device storage. So simply click on that one, like about device storage. Once we click here you guys will see that type of interface. So you guys will simply click on storage. Once I click on storage, here you guys can see apps, images, videos, audios, documents and other things. So for example, I want to free up space. I will simply click on apps. Now here you guys will simply click on three dots. Once you click on three dots, here you guys can click on show system. Once you click on show system, here you guys will see on top the apps that has already, like, that has taken a lot of space. For example, CapCut, TikTok, YouTube and other apps. So you guys will simply uninstall those apps. After that you guys will click on videos. Like in videos you guys can see I have 4.23 GB space in videos. So I'll simply click on that. Here you guys can select all the videos and delete it. Once you do that, that's it. Your space will be free up and you guys can do it in faster way. Thanks for watching.